Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to talk about VeChain. And if you remember, in the previous videos I talked about the possibility of having an ABC zigzag, and if this scenario is in play, either in VeChain we have hit our final bottom, or maybe we are extremely close to reach our final bottom, and after our move down is over, I'm expecting a very strong recovery from VeChain. Now let's zoom in more and see what is happening just in this phase on the upside, starting from the lowest low about 2 cents. Now, can I find an impulsive structure in this area? The answer is maybe yes. I can tell you. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably to about here into a wave 1, and then this whole move down to around, I would say probably here, it's going to be into wave 2. And if this is in play, we need to see a very strong move on the upside in VeChain anytime by now into wave 3 and 4 and 5. And at that point, you are going to see me talk bullish in VeChain with a lot more confidence and saying, you know what, maybe the bottom is set. As long as we're not having this thing, I think it's a bit too soon to jump into any bullish conclusion. Now, this doesn't mean that at the moment we're not seeing bullish signs. You see, in the previous update about VeChain, we were right in here and we didn't really have like a very clear-cut overlapping of the waves between our wave 2 and 4. However, now, because of this move up, we can definitely say this is an overlapping of the waves. Now, don't get me wrong, I can still tell you that maybe this is 1, 2, 3, 4, another move down into wave 5 in form of an expanding ending diagonal. But here's the thing, generally diagonals are kind of rare, and because they are rare, you can consider them as your alternate scenario, meaning in VeChain, because of the recent move up, we can argue, you know what, maybe this is actually our final bottom. Is it for us enough to be bullish and say right in here is a buy opportunity? For me, I don't know about you guys, the answer is no. And I told you earlier, I need to see a very strong bounce off of this region, do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then if we get a pullback, like a very slow and choppy move, okay, at that point I am going to flip completely bullish in VeChain and say we really do not need to go down anymore. So overall in VeChain, in the short term, right in this move up, I can identify a bullish sign, but for me it's not enough. We need to see some more strong price action in the short term. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in VeChain. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.